Today at Mullin Machinery we have a Doall model 2013-10. New in 1975. 20-inch throat. Currently wired for low voltage 3-phase, a 208-230. Has a working blade welder. We just tried that out. It's your blade shear. Table's in great shape. This has the weight type cable pull. I don't know anybody that uses them anymore, but it's there in case you desire. The wheels are in good shape. The rubber's intact. Some minor scratches in the paint. Some scratches there, minor stuff. I don't know if this indicator's pulling on the speed. We'll take a look at that, even though nobody really looks at them anyway. Bear with me because the sunlight in here keeps going up and down and putting shadows and bright spots on the machine. But nice clean looking saw. We'll run it for you now in both speeds. High speed at the moment. Go a lot faster. Slow it down. Wait till it stops. Then to shift it, you should open the door, rock one wheel while you feel the shift moving. There we go. Slow speed. Speed it up a little bit. No ball with it right now, but it has a work light. Overall, a decent condition bandsaw. We have other models if you need them. They'd be on our website. You can check this machine out and our other models at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.